me, Amanda, and Ava, and today
Hi.
we will be doing
How to make
tutorial
slime.
on how to make slime.
To freak out your friends, to gross out your friends with a booger. It's not nasty boogers.
So here's the. So this is what you will need. You will need half a cup of water,
If you have a
1 bowl, and measuring cups. The kit will come with orange crystals,
graham slime powder.
graham slime powder, little pills,
They're not pills.
they're called. And yeah, so that's what it comes with. All this stuff right here. The graham, the slime, and this does not come with it, but you will need a teaspoon. You will need teaspoons.
You can get it from the
Teaspoons and
drugstore.
tablespoon. So let's keep going. So I also forgot to tell you the water has to be hot water. So first get your cup here. Use your water. Put a half cup of warm water into the cup. So I'm going to put this in. Then it says, place green colored tablet in water and let dissolve for a minute. So get your, I guess it says green, but it only comes with pinkish, like palish, purple, and blue. I guess
Peach.
I'm just gonna use the blue because that's close to green.
And I'm
So-
gonna use blue also.
So take your tablet and just drop it in. Now it'll dissolve in 1 minute or less. You can see it's already like bubbling up. Just let it dissolve there.
Mine won't go out.
Well, don't use that one. No! Just go like
You're like telling me. Oh my gosh, Amanda, this is pink.
I know.
This one's orange and then that one's blue. Oh no.
It's almost done
What have
dissolving.
I done? That's how you get green.
Now it's still down there. I need to shake it a little bit. If it gets, hold on. So it'll dissolve. It's probably over there. It's
Oh my
down there in the
God.
corner.
Look how, show them mine, Amanda.
Hers is
Bright
bright red, kind of. It's like lead, and mine's. Just give it a minute to dissolve. It's down there. Hers is dissolving too. It's right there. It's that
It's
little
right
thing. And ours is right
I want to
here.
use a spoon.
It'll probably take a minute. My sister is gonna get a spoon for us, so hold on. But we're gonna use just these tablespoons because, well,
Because we're going to use the other ones for something else. Mine is almost gone.
so mine is gone. Mine is gone.
Oh,
Mine is all
Amanda.
Mine is
Dude.
gone. So next, you're going to slowly sprinkle 1 tablespoon of powder while stirring briskly with a spoon.
So this
So
one's yours.
this
That's mine.
is my spoon. No, it's 1 spoon, Ava.
1 teaspoon?
Tablespoon. Teaspoon, yes. 1 teaspoon. Sorry if I said tablespoon. So we will put the powder, which is,
This one.
this is the powder.
Okay.
So I will open this. So now we have a tablespoon and just pour it in. And we're gonna stir briskly, it says.
And you have to mash it up.
Just said stir, it doesn't say anything about like mashing it or anything, so it says stir briskly.
So this is show mine.
So this is mine. And then here's my sister's.
Ava.
Ava.
Just kind of go back and forth, and then look at it from time to time.
So I will be back when it's done. Now it says while you're continuing to stir, we are going to add 1 more cup of water. So I'll be right back with a cup of water. So now that that's done, it says add another teaspoon of powder. So just add that in. And then and then stir quickly. Quickly.
So it's kind of like a bad idea.
Yeah, it's like very chunky.
Oh my. No, brother.
And I'm just gonna keep stirring
Oh!
till it's all. So it said add more water, which I already did. As you can tell, it's bigger. I didn't get all of it out. And it says take the clubs out because there's no use of them. So you can see that.
I'm gonna put them in this thing.
So yeah, let me take this out. So we took most of the clumps off. We both put it in there. She took it out, but yeah. So all you have to do is wait for 10 minutes, and then you're done. And all you have to do is, and then it'll be done. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.